Hi guys, recently I saw on the internet how they clean the dashboard, the interior of the car with help of Lenore. They also clean the feet and seats of the car if they are laser. Friends, I decided to check the method, whipped everything everywhere, and see the result, and whether dust collect after apply the Lenore. But before starting the video, put like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, I apply Lenore and clearly see the result, as the black color of the interior changed, how it has become saturated and clean. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.